Jessie here. I am back with my grocery haul for the week, and I'm going to be honest, I'm pissed. I have been very understanding over these past few weeks about, the shortage of groceries, the crazy busy stores, the workers that have been, overworked, and they're doing the best they can. I've been very forgiving. I've taken all of my grocery substitutions, even when the grocery substitutions were wrong. But this order today, I'm just not happy at all. So, for one, we ordered our groceries. I stayed up until midnight to make sure that I could secure a spot because I needed to pick up a few things for my mother-in-law and I needed to get a few things for our Easter dinner. We have Easter coming up. So I stayed up until midnight. I was able to secure a spot. I selected the only time that was available, which was between 6 and 7 p.m. on a Monday night, and that was totally fine, except when it came time to pick up the order, once again, just like last week, it was delayed. No problem. We understand these things. It wasn't until 8 o'clock that they finally said, okay, your groceries are ready, which is, 2 hours later. Fine. My husband went to go pick up the groceries, and when he got there, he was informed that from the time that they let us know that our order was ready until the time it took him to get there, they lost the order. It was gone. So I'm assuming they put it into somebody else's car. Again, it happens. It's fine. They had sent us the email with all of the substitutions. Oops, that's my camera strap. The substitutions were not wonderful, but they were fine. We said, okay, they're fine. But then, of course, when they lost the order, they had to go and pick all the groceries again. So, number one, my husband was sitting out there after being delayed 2 hours in the car waiting for them to pick his groceries. Again, understanding, I get it. Well, when he went to go and re-choose the groceries, he chose a bunch of crap that was not what we were supposed to get in terms of substitutions. He left off things. He just didn't do a very good job. And I'm assuming because he had to repick the groceries again, and they sent us the receipt from the original order that we placed, we can't go in and select that we're having an issue and get refunded for all of the things that he left off. It's saying that they're no longer accepting returns or whatever. And of course, now it's 9:40 at night. We can't call them, they're closed. And I'm just not happy. I understand that things are crazy right now. There are things beyond their control. But when I paid $118 for groceries and I didn't get what I paid for, and I'm going to have to jump through hoops to get my money back, that's when I have a problem. Anyway, let me show you what we got. I'll talk about what we ordered, what they gave us instead, and then I'll go. But this I'm just not happy about. And I will cool off and we will call tomorrow, and I'm certain they will make this right. But in the moment when we were already frustrated because we had to wait and then we had to wait some more, it just wasn't a good experience this time. First up is some Gatorade. I ordered 18 bottles of Gatorade Zero, and they gave me 8 bottles of the Gatorade Frost, which was fine. This is something that I knew was a substitution, and I accepted the substitution. I was okay with that. It's not great. It's not what I ordered, but it's better than nothing, so I was okay with that. Next, I ordered 2 packages of the Old El Paso Stand and Stuff taco shells. Just the shells, not the kit. So it would have been 20 taco shells. They said on my receipt that they had picked that, and that was what I received. Of course, when he had to repick the groceries, I'm assuming they were out, so we had to make substitutions. So this was the substitution that he decided on, and if we didn't get to approve this, this is just what was in the bag. There was no choice. We take it as is. So I'm short 10 taco shells, and instead I've got a taco kit, which is fine. If he had done 2 kits, I'd have been okay with that. That would have been what I ordered. I would have got my 20 taco shells, but that wasn't happy about. I ordered a big 40-ounce bag of peanut M&Ms. Chocolate in this time right now. You know how it is. And when they sent me the email, said that they had substituted that big bag of M&Ms for 4 bags of the sharing size 9-ounce peanut M&Ms. I was fine with that. When we get the order home, this is all that is there. 1 9-ounce bag of peanut butter M&Ms. So I paid $8 for this. Not happy. Not happy with that at all. This was a substitution for some chocolate marshmallow Easter eggs. This is not at all a chocolate marshmallow Easter egg, but I was fine with this. Even though this is not what they said we were going to be getting. This is something different that he chose after the fact. But this was fine. Got carrots, that was as ordered. Got the beer and bratwursts, that was as ordered as well. For my mother-in-law, she just needed a couple things. She wanted some lotion and some small trash bags and some zipper bags. All of those were as ordered. That was fine. Some Klondike bars, again, these were as ordered. Fine with that. Gallon of milk. 4 things of half and half. 2 boxes of butter. This was all as ordered, as was the double glazed ham for our Easter dinner. Got 2 pounds of the Fiesta blend cheese. That is what I ordered. I ordered a bag of the party size potato chips, and that's what I got. That's fine. 2 bags of the broccoli florets. I ordered Great Value biscuits. They gave me Grands instead, but again, I was fine with that. You know, I'm understanding when it comes to the substitutions. I just want something of equal value that I paid for. I don't like things being left off and being given stuff I didn't order and then being told I can't. They're not going to fix it. I got the Worcestershire sauce. That was as ordered. I ordered 2 cans of the Bruce's Yams, the big 40-ounce can. They only gave me 1. And the Gallet apples. I also got 2 bags of clay cat litter for my mother-in-law that's in the car. So this is what I got for my $118. I'm not happy. I'm sure they'll make it right, but just right now, the frustration on top of the stress that we're all under in this country with this coronavirus, it's just a lot. My husband wasted 3 hours of his time tonight and then didn't get the groceries we ordered. So I don't mean to sound like a brat. I know I probably sound like a brat, but this is just very disappointing. And it is what it is. We're going to call Walmart tomorrow and hope that they make it right. I will put a little note at the end here and let you guys know what happened with the order. But yeah, that was my grocery haul for the week. It was a pretty small haul. I didn't want to get a lot. I just wanted to make sure my family could have our Easter dinner that we wanted. And this was pretty disappointing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.